Hi everyone, it's Alyssa with Flagship Property Management. Today we're at 2805 Noah Court here in Greenville, North Carolina. Let's head inside. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. As we walk inside here, we have a little bit of room to place your shoes, put a little shoe rack. So as we head inside, we have this huge open living room. Lots of windows, lots of open light. It's approximately 4:30 when I'm doing this, so the sun is going down. But this fireplace is beautiful. I love this trim work. It's absolutely gorgeous. We were painting over here, so there's some paint stuff still here. If we head over, we have a kitchen nook area. As we head into our kitchen, we do need to replace the fire alarm batteries here, but no worries, it'll be done before you're here. We have stainless steel appliances in here. Absolutely beautiful. And they all match too. So we have the matching dishwasher and the matching stove. And then over here we have another little area. Could be a kitchen nook, could be anything you want, but there is room. And right off the kitchen we have plenty of storage and a washer and dryer hookup. Very convenient. We do have a garage here in this unit, as you may have seen. This garage fits enough for 2 cars. We're still getting this unit ready, like I said, so we're cleaning it all up for everyone. So let's get back into our living room. Going through our living room, I'm going to take you guys outside to the backyard. We have a play set back here and lots of open room. There is a fence, so everything is fenced in. And now let's head into the master suite. This master suite is huge, guys, absolutely huge. Don't forget about the zoom on my camera. Absolutely huge. And we have a massive walk-in closet with tons and tons of storage. And as we walk into our master suite, we have a stand-up glass shower, a nice tub. The toilet is over here. We do have a closet in here, and we have a double vanity. Let's head back throughout the rest of our house. So we head back into our living room and turn back towards the front door. This is that mudroom area I talked about. There is a closet right here too, a little coat closet for you. As we head back around, we have bedroom number 2. The closets in here are really good size. As we head down the hall, we have our second bathroom. This bathroom does have a single sink, but I really love all the matching knobs and hardware in this bathroom. And as we head into our last but not least, our 3rd bedroom, we love the color on the walls in here. It's like a pinkish purple, absolutely beautiful. And again, tons of natural light and a big closet. So thanks for visiting us today, guys. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit our website, flagshiprentalproperties.com. Thanks, guys.